meandering. I tell you, flat full senseless. You know here, let's take time talk. Oh, we outside in a frothy supermarket, we just do a natural review, just believe me. Flat them full senseless in the road. My granny so gum. She says she want chocoball and a sweetie. Them girls don't want pee-pee. Drink a bag of liquor last night and say them want wee-wee. Hush up. You know here, let's take time talk. Hey,
Take it easy now, man.
Just take time to make it look good.
Yeah.
Stay one way.
Yeah.
Can I hear?
Understand?
Jesus.
No, you have more than that. Yeah.
Mangusa badame. This is among Japan in this country. Who da dictate no Mr. Pumpkin. Yam did a pass and no say no morning. Pork get vex and lick down chicken and almost lick over fried dumpling. Yam and cassava play boxing. Yam lick cassava the boxing ring. Mangusa badame.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Good morning. What a wonderful morning. I hope you all having a wonderful day. Anywhere you are, night or day. Blessed morning. Conte! It's another morning here in Portland. Yep, with the Portland. Open the gate. Open the gate. Avocado on the ground. You know where it's coming from? Where's the tree? Avocado. Avocado. Young baby. Not ready yet. Morning. See, colors just arrived. He's in the building. He's in the building. So yes, so blessed morning, Dream Team One Team. So blessings to anywhere you are coming from Portland. So today we have another collaboration with Jess. You know Jess, the farm girl. Yeah. So we on colors and D Mwango, you know, and the whole team. Spear puppet, spear fishing, climber, socks, you name it. You know, we're heading out on another adventure today. So stay tuned, then you will know. No clips, no flip, no tricks. You ain't seen nothing, none of this. Yeah, man. So we're gonna meet up the guys up now. So I don't know what's going on in the morning. Morning. Papi cool.
Yeah.
We are going with in the morning now.
Some
Breakfast. Oh, that tea bag.
That is it.
The name I changed before I leave Portland.
Name changed long time.
Ground God. Oh, go on. Yeah, cook ground God. I lie. What are you cooking? Hey. J-Bud.
Yeah.
What? Doggy.
Alright people, welcome back to the channel. Don't know, so today we out here in T-ball, climber. Hear about colors of the year, soon forward. So match up some Callaloo baked bean and some frankfurter with some bread. Yeah man, so we want to like, comment, share and do subscribe. Stay tuned and catch you guys further down the line.
Yo, TJ Bud. Blessed morning, blessed morning.
Well, me never hear you. Bless you. I am.
Oh, you can't give me a time.
Perf. All is well. Pound the turf. At a Murph. There's a gun guard in the kitchen.
Yeah, today.
Right. Ilaloo.
Yeah, man, peeps, right now? Get the
Ilaloo and the baked beans. The gun guard, never know you're a big chef, man.
Get it light. Get it nice for you.
Right. So today I will know.
Yeah.
In this morning I will know. What a wonderful surprise. Hairstyle change. Are you rich?
Yeah.
Our gun got real rich.
I'm not rich as yet.
So you're rich in life.
Just, I'm rich in life. You have life, you have everything.
Yeah, everything. Good God. We are the first minute me the style is still the baked bean and callaloo and franks.
Yeah.
How come up with that idea?
Every day you learn something new, you know?
And you? Gee, I don't know if it food can poison you still. Yo, tea, dash with the bag. Tea and dash with the climber. Climber, you know the thing go. Them say Portland great best climber ever.
Anything you run up in now?
Yeah. What do you look how we have struggle? We have struggle what the style we never have climber around. And Papi spear fishing. Papi, give yourself a shout out again, tell them if you find
Yeah man, people, so you know one Papi Spearfishing, Papi Spearfishing Adventure on YouTube. So make sure you go ahead and get a subscribe, you know. Really appreciate it. Yeah man, big up on yourself.
T, you have YouTube channel too?
Yeah man, T-Bag Lifestyle out here without fear. That is it.
T-Bag Lifestyle.
Yeah man.
Oh, Gunga, they have none yet?
No, I have none yet. Soon.
Soon, alright. Climber.
Yeah, man. Climber Adventure. Yeah. Same people can go on my YouTube channel and check it out. Some great content over there.
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. You too?
Yeah.
Go on now.
Earth living adventure. I don't know no man. You can check it out man.
Yeah.
Enough respect. That is it.
But you seem calm and quiet and humble though. What kind of content you create? What type of content them to look out for?
Why? You know I say no cooking for my things see you more, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and them things, you know. But you see like when you one day like you wanna shoot a video,
Yeah.
you're not afraid no, but you see like when too much people there.
You get afraid?
Yeah,
Yeah, and get video afraid, you know. That's one thing, you know, there you know. You know, there's a lot of YouTubers you have to know when time to chip in and chip out, you know.
But sometimes you know, so you feel nervous.
So if you're an artist and you say be an artist, one of the mics what you gotta do, you back out, you know, go bother profile. You see, like this is Murphy. So we're gonna check out Murphy channel, you know, people go and check it out, you see me? Murphy, so we're here in Portland, you know, a morning where them say the boat are gonna land right now. Baked bean and callaloo, gun garden in the kitchen, hey, with Franks. And one day can't miss Franks. Create something there. So no fat down here, so big and fat. And every day you cook.
We walk on the level.
Walk on the
So what is that here? Kill it.
Mr. T get in there.
Me?
Yeah. Same too still. Get rid of the bag off of the tea. Get rid so the academy and make the academy still away see him with another man and a pure academy so never eat aki and callaloo yet.
All of them menu there.
Oh.
Right now, I don't see what they in this menu.
You never try yet.
Everything.
The guava, no cook guava and baked bean though.
Well, the one.
Alright, see me can't go to things to not try yet.
Yes, a freestyle.
I never eat it.
Guava and the baked bean and the callaloo and the avocado cooked down with the mango sliced up in it with pineapple and more menu that me are going, you know.
Check your out.
Tell him. Where's the Murphy?
ring go have a man. You can use man, I just dig out the sitting out.
Alright.
Use the skin part of tough.
Alright. We all can cut up all the mango in it. You see me with little pineapple. Papi, you see me I give you something new with some callaloo. Papi, I hope you listen to that menu here. You know? I eat if I go try next. I eat enough. You ever cook curry mackerel yet?
Can't do it.
Oh, can't I do it? Oh no. Mango. Okay, wanna beat me. Curry mackerel and curry sardine. You know try that one. Gunga, you know try that one there.
Yaki dumpling.
No.
Sauce up dumpling.
No.
Not even sauce up dumpling.
Oh.
Sauce on the put the sauce up in the flour.
You usually need it for boil. Yaki will put the yaki in.
And cook it first or boil?
Boil yaki first, then knead it.
Then knead it tonight.
Yeah, me come up with them.
So the sauce up, we say use as the water for boil the dumpling.
Juice, sauce up and use the juice.
For boil the dumpling. Jeez.
Mad.
Jeez. No, the bell no hurt, you know.
Nothing yet on the
You them skill with all lie. That's why I also need to get an award, you know, for the best ever adventure cooking. Creative. I wanna lead still because I'm not saying about the cook when cook, I'll cook where wanna go cook. You see me?
Only thing we left for cook man, up on the sky.
On the sky. The moon, not got the moon yet though. It's but mad. All night tree and plane in the water them man, what them say they crash with the coke. Hey, man, them cook chicken underground too. How that it taste?
What? Nice. We want in a pan and I saw.
Underground. Yes, wonderful man. When I like to occupy a tree, I'm not get none, you know. Pure occupancy. Well. Strolling in the morning. You know, so whenever I'm in countryside, I like go down in the bush. So take a walk with me down in the bush. Down in the bush, down in the bush, down in the bush. Yeah. So this is a downhill, you know. I'm going down the hill, down. Yo. Well, it's a beautiful morning here, I'm not even lying. Down in the bush, down in the bush, down in the bush. So tell me something, you really love the country life? You love the country life like for me, love country life? Well, I love the country life, I'm not lying. Country life, you can wake up and mingle with nature. Mingle with the nature in the country life in the morning. When you hear the cock crow. Well. He's doing some washing.
Guys, welcome to my life in the countryside. I just relocated and now this is my life. Washing outside. I'm going to get water. Then come bring off my clothes.
She's washing in a bathroom in the backyard. Country style. She's not your average.
Not your average?
Kenyan girl. Not your average Kenyan girl.
No, this is basically my life.
Can you manage? Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Go on, go. Yeah. Rasta, you see that Rasta man? White material you get. In a Rasta that's watching, you getting a white material.
A whole combo package.
One big meal you get. Getting a big deal.
Getting a big deal.
The washing.
Yes, guys. Washing my clothes because we have to keep clean.
So you do washing back home and see me, right? For yourself.
Actually, my biggest flex in life is being born in the countryside. Like, I have nothing to worry, you know, because we make life so simple and easy, and it's the most interesting life, you know. Yeah.
Born in the countryside.
Yeah, back home, this is how we wash our clothes. We don't have a washing machine yet, so yeah.
I know, I think it is spoiled. I think it was the wash belly.
Yeah?
I think it was the spoiled one, the wash belly.
Me, the spoiled one.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Well, I guess she tricked me. You know, I guess she's not that spoiled, you know.
I told you I'm a wash belly.
No, I think it was the wash belly.
You think I was a wash belly?
Yeah, I think she was the spoiled one, but she kind of tricked me, you know. If you saw she angry things by herself,
of course.
she can't take on the world by herself, as what you see she been doing, you know. Taking on the world by herself.
Yeah.
And if you find herself right now back in Jamaica, for the first, not the last. You know, she have the second, she have the third, she have the fourth to return, right? Are you gonna live here? Which one of them?
I'm living here.
Jeez.
This is basically my home. Yeah.
So you know, the plan today after the finish wash, we're gonna head the road, you know, doing some great collab, unexpected guests.
Yeah.
So we get in the iTunes when we watch that one, yeah. It's gonna be a great one today. But we have to wait till the finish wash. But you know, take her no long time to wash because you know, quick thing. This is what she used to. Jamaican style washing in the bath pan.
Yeah.
Same
whole wife material.
Hey. So you say you don't need no machine?
For what?
No washing machine?
I'm good, man. No, sir.
They keep it original. So I know modern days, you know, most people got washing machine.
Actually, the hands even wash much better than the washing machine.
Yeah, that's true.
You scrub anywhere, everywhere.
That is true.
And make it perfect.
So guys, if you're washing and you need your clothes to be washed, you know, you can contact me to link up with D Moango. You know, she wash your clothes free, of course. I will charge. Which one?
Free?
Free?
There's nothing for free. But if you're my subscriber, yes, I'll do it for you for free.
Alright, so any one of these subscribers washing and you think you got some clothes that you can't bother for wash it, you know, you can link me up. Dee says she is willing to wash it free of cost. Once you're a subscriber, you can tell her the last 10 video you watch. Yeah, how it start and how it end. Then you get a free wash from D Moango.
That is it.
That is it. So come on, if you want your clothes get washed. What was the last 3 video D done? How it start and how it end. And in the middle. Right, D?
Yeah.
And you get a free wash from D. Courtesy of the washing hand. Not the washing machine.
The washing hands.
The washing hands. Hey. So no washing brush, D?
Huh?
You don't use washing brush?
No, why? My hands are strong. They're more than a brush.
They're more than a brush. Hey. Are you watching from Kenya? What do you think about the washing?
No, in Kenya, most of the people wash the way I do.
So in Kenya, you don't use washing brush to wash?
Not in Kenya, like the whole country. I'm just speaking about me. But
Oh,
majority of the people wash their hands manually.
Oh.
Yeah.
You use the stone as well to rub the clothes on the stone and the rock?
Yes, the clothes are too dirty, like the farm clothes, you know?
Just rub it on the rock.
Yeah.
Shit. That is it. Hey. Not your average Kenyan girl. Kenyan empress. Not the average. Got it, D. So you got your, what's that, your fabulosa?
Yeah. We need to smell nice.
Soft land.
Yeah.
These ready to rinse
And hang.
and hang. Gino Bambino.
Yeah, special shout out to her for this amazing vest.
With your clothespin. You need a pins, you need to get your pin. The clothespins.
later.
Them ones. So if you do what hang different. So just say you get the pins them later. You put them on the line first and get pins later, right?
Okay, get the pin.
Let's ask Kunta where's the pins.
Okay.
I see my friend no more in the box.
You have more pins?
Yeah. Some more.
Kina is the best. You're the best. Alright. Thank you. Because that side is too tall, I think I only manage.
No, the stick.
Ah, the stick.
stick.
Oh, okay. Oi, that is way too down.
There. That's alright?
Yeah, a little bit, yes. But it will fall.
No. You got it sticking on the ground.
Oh, okay.
If I want to stick in the ground, you're good to go.
Okay. Just like that.
Papi, let's climb, I know where you go.
Can't climb that tree there. But you want up saying can't go up in the bush. I'm tired. Bees can't bite them. Pip and jelly and get you when I'm cook.
Alright.
Nothing of them, nothing of them. That, all the rain come to hurry up.
Gonna come up.
Yeah, rain of you.
Climber.
Hold on.
What?
Oh yeah?
Hold on, take your time. I don't have to carve the dry point on it.
Whoa.
I try to put that there on this. Come, pick her here.
You want the back of your jelly and see now already? No, back of them, I say. I get tea bag, get my cup, you know. Drinking like someone like you one night.
All different jelly and
I'll pick out everything off of that boy.
Oh, wash. What go on?
Let me get stitches on the side.
Your stitches on your side?
Where you come from, man? I can't drink just.
Them jelly are liquor. I saw them on a liquor?
And they look big from far down.
Yeah. Yeah?
That's alright. I run next to the big one. Yeah, I go next to the
Papi, have to get another one, man.
Right here?
Yeah.
I want back here. You want them back here? Go.
There's a fast leg night tree.
Say it.
Them one away so big already.
I want them back here.
One not the one on the side around and that's all. This?
Yeah.
No, it's next side big.
Yeah. Can't complain.
Post one jelly, please, it's on.
Can't complain.
I want them to plug in.
One side around this already.
Can't complain about this at
I
time.
want more jelly.
Hold your one, so. Each up. See out. Shoot out the one I pick now, each up.
Make him pick all the one in back and then sweet.
Yeah? Me can't see it. It's the right corner. Papi,
you see me, I think, wait a minute, come here. Pick the one in back and you put now.
I come down. Pick up one way. No more.
Climber.
How we going, Sarah? How we going?
You want a little less of pressure?
Climber, we say no bruises.
Yeah, don't miss it. No, come down.
I know T can't climb the tree now.
What?
Yo.
You never born to be a climber. You didn't get the right name? Climber.
Yeah, too.
J Bud.
Yeah, give me one.
Do you get jelly? Papi no cut tree jelly. Papi cut tree jelly. Chop roll that one like that. See, cut that in the bun.
The one there.
Let me get you that one there. Climber.
So that two papi throw in a cup?
Yeah.
A three?
B. Yeah.
Oh wow, you're the best.
There's jelly for you, D.
Oh, wait.
No
Thank you,
straw
Kilo.
though.
You are the best.
If you do it the country style, no straw.
No straw?
No straw.
Okay, let me open the hole.
Country style.
Wow.
Block it and drink it.
Hey.
Sweet?
Yeah. Hey, shh. Countryside.
Yeah, deep quench your thirst.
Thank you, Kilo. You're the best.
Yeah man, climber. A climber climb the tree. So a climber the best. Climber run, walk up the tree. He never climb him, walk up the tree. It's sweet though. Yeah. This is the first jelly my drink was sweet.
Oh, nice.
First jelly my drink so far was sweet. The rest of them a problem. I feel I wonder if there's something wrong with my taste bud.
You cup that big in there, man?
My dear say jelly look a little bit, but the cup big. So when we get our cut at our final, make gizzard.
Yeah, the girl, you say can I make them thing that too?
Gizzard.
Yeah.
So why
Right, a female.
right
Oh, you heard that? Oh,
right
Go there, waste water, man.
Right now from morning, I'm going to look at the cut now.
Yeah, make this other.
see.
Like you sit in my tree, about I boss?
So I'm not going to catch that one if you saw you make the gizzard then, bud. I'm going to catch that one there.
Dip on your channel, yeah?
Dip on your channel too. We are the girl them gizzard.
Yes, father.
Yes, climb. I'm not done yet. Really old now. Fly up there, man. Fly up there, man.
My first half.
You think a boy pick up that song like this? I'm just going to keep that to the gas come up there, sir?
Yeah, stop.
No. Just hang me off up there.
Fly big.
I'm just about to let go, so I'm not going that side.
But the one sitting jump off on the ground, man. They have a foolishness.
You know, I'm going to go back upstairs now, because you know, say morning, more water, I'm not remember.
It's very sweet, yo.
side. Well.
You know, check in.
Check. East side the part ready, ground God?
Take your time.
Take your time. That one you look like boy that gonna miss me. Hello.
Hi.
Well, keen life in Jamaica. We're there watch a creative cooking while I go on. Them say callaloo and bean and franks.
Yeah.
Jaja.
That is it, man.
That is it.
I want to drink it with some splash water. That is it. Yeah,
Hey.
I feel good.
Hey, Jess. Oh yeah, Jess here. Blessed Jess.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you. Keen life in Jamaica.
Yes, man. Nice to meet you.
Representing. Hey, Sax making it work.
Oh, God.
Hey.
Oh, my God. Hi. How you doing?
Alright, so
Hey.
Mango check in, yeah.
Jamaica. Thank you so much.
Sorry, no one get none. No.
No, man, you're not
Papi.
You need salt, you need frank.
No, vegetarian. No,
Callaloo in there. You know.
Can't go far with me.
yeah, tell a boy. If the Franks never invited, I run the place for me.
I'm from Kenya and welcome to
E.
Jamaica. Subscribe to
Yeah,
I
bro.
love
And
this
it's the
video.
bossy, you know, colours.
I loved it. And I was like, wow.
Bossy.
Today is the day.
Eh?
Welcome to the country.
Yes, today I have go.
You don't look like a
I have turn back, like a Christian and turn back.
Some girls are like me.
Take out the front. like the man when I eat pork, him say, I don't eat pork, but give me the gravy.
Gravy, and I do the chungus part.
Welcome to the country.
Yeah.
I love it. Thank you. Yeah, I swear you're here a long time. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Leave them things to D, man. Give D and see what she do with that.
One go.
One go.
Lime?
Anything, so what?
Anything so what she like. Anything so what she like.
That is it. Okay. I'm going to stay here. You know, a lot of people want to run away from Jamaica. Why?
Well, so we're back at it again. These at it again. So we're in the supermarket. These are looking for flour. Flour for the dumplings. Where's the flour for the dumplings?
I'm going to make a dumpling and curry chicken.
Is that chicken over there? How much chicken we're gonna need? How many chickens we're going to need? Is that one actually? Take them out, man.
Start market over there, them again.
I'm going to check up on the pot, then, small pot in there. Spot them.
If you want small pot, you can buy a pot up on the road.
On the road, let's buy one small though. Yes, have a shout out.
Stink ring. Now I tell you, flat full senseless. You know, yeah, let's take time talk. Oh, we outside in a fratty supermarket, we just do a natural review, just believe me. That them full senseless in the road. My granny so gum. She says she want chocoball and a sweetie. Them girls don't want pee-pee. Drink a bag of liquor last night and say them want wee-wee. Hush up. You know, yeah, let's take time talk.
Hey, take it easy now, man.
Just take time to
Well,
make it look good.
Yeah.
Stay one way.
Yeah.
Can I hear?
Man of style.
Jesus.
No, you have more than that. Yeah,
Mangusa badame, mangusa badame. This is among Japan in this country. Who da dig yet no Mr. Pumpkin. Yam did a pass and no say no morning. Pork get vexed and lick down chicken and almost lick over fried dumpling. Yam and cassava play boxing. Yam lick cassava the boxing ring. Mangusa badame.
Mangoes badame.
You know, mangoes chop.
Yeah, you have to get the one now where you make the chop for the mangoes.
You know, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's take time to.
See, so I said, tell them a social media platform.
Stink. May I tell you, Bududup. But you can't check out my thing on YouTube. May I say, see me enemy side. Big bad movie. We still out there, still a trend. Can't take out my thing on TikTok. May I tell you? So anything, you see me?
Anything.
Social media, any one of them. Facebook, you see me?
Sting.
Just check in, like the thing, you see me?
Like what?
Yeah.
STING? Sting?
Stink. You know, yeah? Let's take time to plot. Pull out. Senseless.
Yeah. So go and check him out on the platform. So spell it for them.
Right.
Sting, yeah.
Sting. That the kind of sting there?
No, the name we have on the social media.
No, I boot it up my house on the social media.
So, spell it
I eat. Right, see, I eat. Normal out. That's the
if you want to find it, easy if you tell them the spelling so they can go on us.
No, I'm sure you say. I know my really profile me use man.
Okay.
If I know my team, we sign up. If I my team could have let you. What you see me one? If I my team could have let you out, see me so to the crowd. But you must have to try to spell out the name of me up on the TikTok or the Facebook or what me using on this over the world. You know what them way there, but it's not my thing. That's one of my dog them try to do a look. You see me?
Okay.
And it happen. But then them a eat food and not give me none. So you know some kind of pull back with my thing. But we're still there. Just check into the thing, see them here. You could have seen me on it 1 and 2 times or now and then. But you still can like and share. You hear that? Jesus! Stink, I like horse. Rink, I like dog. Let's take time to.
Take it.
Let's take time to.
Yeah, that is it. Please go and check
Ready
it.
for me?
What's a whole heap of flower?
That nobody.
Yeah, wicked. Big up yourself.
Do that, my girl.
Alright.
Coming out more than I think funny, coming out on the phone dog. I bang on me up. I can't show all the clothes. People see them on the phone. I look bang on me up. I still have to now bow. You know here? Let's take time to hello, this is Miss Doris. Good morning. I know I'm speaking from America. Yeah. Jeez, I'm not here nothing more.
You need a phone so you can add the platform where you set up and ready for yourself.
I'm tough enough. I have it.
Yeah, man, you have it, man.
I don't know.
No joke.
And the people are bar because people like people with talent. You see me? Not gonna be talent. You see me? Real like talent. I can dance, I still can sing. You see me? I grade in the morning. I grade in the evening. I grade in the night. Ganja make me feel alright. Then walk down a road with a pound in my sweater. Ganja me and smoke, so give me a couple grabber, chop it up. In the wizard border. I grade in the morning. I grade in the evening. I grade in the night. Ganja make me feel alright. You know here blood pool senseless. Let's check anything.
See there.
Jesus.
Senseless. Hey, colors, you have to go vice me now. Like you have to go build a studio down here. In the road here.
You need a drink?
Come in, mangoes, man.
Mangoes. Come in.
You need a drink?
Yeah. Yeah. So they have to go buy a pot because we're gonna buy a pot because you know what? I forgot to bring the next pot for cook the salt mackerel for me. I know salt mackerel me I eat. So how much is your pot, miss?
That one for 2,000.
Brother, can you get this one please? Only nothing bigger than this.
You want a bigger one?
No, this is alright. You got a copper with it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah man, so we're getting a pot, so we're on the way. We stop to get a pot. You can look at the wonderful beach over there. Wonderful beach. So yeah man, so these gonna cook curry chicken and coconut dumpling, you know. So you know, say I get some salt mackerel for myself, you know, so but we never bring no extra pot, so we have to buy a buy a pot. So we're gonna buy this pot, so you can stop anywhere here if you want to buy a pot. Are you met them?
My uncle made them.
Bad. The clan needs.
Yeah, you can interview my table to look my stuff.
Come show me them. Come there, come show me what I go on with the table. Just tell them where you are, where them can find you.
Mama Fire Village in Portland.
Eh?
Mama Fire Village in Portland, this.
Mama Fire Village
yes.
in Portland.
Yeah, and this is the real coconut oil. Rebecca coconut oil. And castor oil.
Castor oil for the ear, right?
Yes, and for anywhere paining you or anything like that, you can massage it.
How much is castor oil?
$1,000.
Let me get one as well.
If you get a cut and it can't stop bleeding, you throw it on it, it stop it from bleeding.
But the castor oil?
Yes.
Let me get one of the castor oil. There! That's oops, don't make money blow away. Alright, so you get the castor oil. That's good for the ear.
Yeah.
I think it's kind of locks make it pretty.
Yeah, man.
Castor oil, wait. Hey, looks pretty.
Yeah. And this is the Mama Fire Kitchen.
Oh, the fire kitchen.
Take a picture of it.
So this is the Mama Fire Kitchen. So what are you selling there?
We have items to rasta pasta.
Yeah.
And ackee and veggie chunks, and rice and peas, boiled food like banana, bread.
So I have to go pass by, come check out where I go and say
you know, with the Instagram, you can look for Mama Fire Kitchen on Instagram.
On Instagram.
Yeah.
And you work me every day?
Yeah man, every day.
Even on Sunday?
Even on Sunday.
Alright, then what time you start serve?
We start serve from 8 o'clock in the morning.
From 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
So alright, so check it out people. Mama Fire Kitchen, you know, as you can see, Mama Fire Kitchen is our contact number. This is our contact number there for Mama Fire Kitchen. You know, if you're here in Portland, tell them again we're in Portland, you're located.
In White Rock, look about out above Bay in White Rock.
Okay, so
yeah,
that's
where the Dutch pot is, you can't
miss it.
Yes.
That is it. Alright then, yeah mama?
Yeah man, take care my brother. So
yeah,
what's
man.
your name?
Kino. So
okay.
it's Kino Life in Jamaica on YouTube.
Yes.
And you will see.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sarah, Makeda, listen this.
Makeda. Kino Life in Jamaica. Ready now? Yeah, ready. Ready now, so we're ready. Jess! Murphy! So ready. So now we're gonna walk the rest. But I tell you, the place is so muddy. The car couldn't even pass. So we have to park from a distance away. I will just foot the rest. Right. We have to go and foot the rest. We have to go and walk the rest. So Didi has struggle. No, she ain't struggling. She know the thing already. Real farmer girl. Or the village girl, I should say, right? Countryside girl. You can see there's a lot of rainfall up here.
So guys, welcome to Bob Marley, and we headed to Bob Marley Falls. We're going to cook by the river and have a good time. It's my first time in this side, but honestly I'm loving how Jamaica is green, how beautiful it is. And so let's go have another cooking adventure. Today I'll be making coconut dumpling and curry chicken. It's gonna be really interesting, so please.
Up here so is wet, soaking.
Yeah, just need to have
mud
water
wet.
shoes. Yeah. You have the dangerous snake. You don't have the dangerous snake?
No.
There's no way a snake cannot be dangerous when it's in the wilderness.
The snake in Jamaica don't got teeth.
Hey!
They don't bite.
Really?
They don't bite, but they can probably like, if they're really big and I feel like maybe like anacondas, can suffocate. I feel like I have some really big snake, especially like up in the mountain there.
Wee!
Careful.
Why?
Yeah, I suspect a lot of snakes because there are some yellow snakes.
You missed that one that while ago, D.
That's some yellow snake. I caught that.
You caught it? I lie. Almost.
Snakes out here.
Yellow snake? Yeah. Let's not speak about them. You'll just see one immediately. Talk of the devil and they appear, so you'd rather keep quiet. The moment you think about it, you'll see it.
Whoa. Through the wilderness. Walking through the wilderness. So out them side the rain come from. Rolling through the wilderness. So as we start walking here it get dark. Because we're surrounded by pure trees. Pure trees.
Say, I touch your water today.
Yes, I.
You just have to say no still, yeah.
What do you know? I'm not saying.
Anytime you go and see that the water there, you're not going.
I lie. What make?
Damn, what's that? Hey. Did you want to tell you nothing, you know? Just wait till you reach.
Yeah. The man say whenever I reach the water, I'm see me now go touch it. Tell me if I go for my life jacket, you know, papi.
You told me to run now, you know?
It deep?
What do you mean?
Yeah. So I have to go for my life jacket.
Yeah,
then?
if we go for them,
Ah, hold this. I go for my life jacket back. Cause them say it deep.
You don't say I go.
So I go for the life jacket.
You don't need no life jacket, man.
Oh, papi, you talk about I need life jacket. When you say I need life jacket?
You don't need a life jacket.
When you say on a 20 foot deep? Hey, papi. Take your time, man. Isa. So you know what some like, oh, papi not catch that though. No man, you can catch them thing there. Cause I like save lives, you know. You see my papi, I like to save lives, so that's why I like to roll my life jacket. Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
I know you're so, you see nothing yet.
Yeah, we stay there. At the Bob Marley Falls we go, right?
I won't see each other.
Yeah.
Down there.
Massive. Dangerous water, this thing. You slip, you slide. And if you slide, you drop. And when you drop, if it hurt, you ball. We say we're moving up now. Guys, you hear the water, see the cave, you see the journey. We have to take on here, so you see the journey. Wow.
Everybody saw it now. Come like we can go in there.
Yeah? See so heavy? Yeah. River come down. Them stone are slippery, you know.
No, I said I can't see.
Eh? Wow. The river come right down. Wow. That can't swim enough. Wow. So guys, them say no swimming. We cannot swim in this too rough. River come down, so we cannot swim. Only can cook. Where you go left the camera? So guys, this can't swim now. This can't swim now.
Don't swim.
Yes, no bad. Yes, you want to
All the stomachs are wash up.
That's for your food and you will drop in this.
Yeah. Too powerful. You cannot swim.
Just shower.
You have to shower at the edge.
Yeah?
Yeah, at the edge. It is too powerful. Mosquito. The river is too powerful, so we cannot swim. Nobody can cross it. Only who alone know to cross it. Nobody can cross it. that song there? Nobody can cross it. But who alone know to cross it? Nobody can cross it. Not even Sax can cross it. Nobody can cross it. Drum God alone, she can't cross it. Nobody can cross it. Hey, only who alone know how to cross it. Hey, not even the fisherman can cross it. Not even colors can cross it. Nobody can cross it. Only who alone know how to cross it. Nobody can cross it. Hey, that song of the wind viral. Nobody can cross it at all. You only can wash off your foot like what the man do. That's all you can do is wash your foot. You cannot swim. Yeah, so we're at the Bob Marley River. So we're at the Bob Marley River about here. Bob Marley said all of the river come down. Bob Marley said the whole of the river come down. So once you come down, you know you cannot swim. So once you cannot swim, you have to just go and chill on the side. So Ashley, you know you don't want to swim. You cannot swim. And it's so pretty though. The river is so pretty. Please don't slip.
I'm not sleeping, I'm just pulling my legs. Mosquito bite. Look, it's so deep here.
Yeah.
This is so far. Really fast.
Huh?
Really fast.
Yes, sir?
Really fast.
Yeah, too fast. This is too fast.
We need to get started before it gets dark.
Yeah.
Or else we start lighting up like.
Yeah.
Because they're not speaking, they'll just be watching because the water is so loud.
No, I can. Singles first.
So, you just do the pose and I'll just capture the moment. Anything, just freestyle.
Well guys, I guess we could cook at the river today because the river come down, and where we want to cook is too much noise from the river, from the far. Huh? Mine? No, I have a lot. Yeah, so I guess we could cook today. So we're gonna head back home and cook from there because the river came down. The fall is really heavy, so we couldn't get to cook because of the noise. You know, we're not gonna be able to hear ourselves. We're gonna be shouting. We'll be doing that. So it's just one of those days. It's just one of those days, guys.
So guys, that's how it ended. I thought we could be cooking.
Yeah, so we couldn't be cooking today. Oops. Yes, cause boy, I did cook some curry chicken and coconut dumpling and salt mackerel and things. So I guess we have to go back home and cook.
Just climb up to this.
Oh, it's alright, so step down. Step is fine. Imagine that if that ever collapsed down, the whole of this is all rocks go all the way up there. Pure rocks. Pure rocks. Guys, the river really come down heavy. So we could, yeah. So we couldn't get to cook because of the noise. You know, so Dee was having a photo shoot. Shoot.
What is happening?
Or cooked by something. Look, a tree fall along in the middle.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.